Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making a backup and confirming the Excel version so you avoid surprises. Once done, locate the exact locked element, a protected sheet, a locked workbook structure, or a password-protected file. You should save a duplicate and close other programs that might hold a file handle. Make sure auto-save is off before proceeding. You'll need basic access rights on the machine. If you lack permissions, stop and request them. Now open Excel and get ready to apply the first unblock methods. You attempt the straightforward steps first. Open the workbook, go to Review and click Unprotect Sheet. If prompted, try blank, common, or previously used passwords. Once sheets are free, address workbook structure via Review Protect Workbook and uncheck Structure. If a password blocks you, run a short VBA routine or a trusted password removal utility. These automate brute force or removal techniques. While the tool runs, monitor CPU and keep backups. If tools fail, note the exact error message for targeted troubleshooting. You finish by addressing encrypted files. If Excel asks for an open password, use authorized recovery tools or regain access via the account that created the file. Once unlocked, inspect formulas, data validation, named ranges, and hidden sheets to ensure integrity. Make sure macros run as expected and save a new copy with a clear file name. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup, try the process on a clean machine, and capture error details. That troubleshooting note will speed manager or vendor support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.